Welcome back, my home cookers and chef. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate a can of beans, you guys. So I'm going to show you how to make some good old barbecue baked beans and how to elevate that can to the next level. Let's get into it. All right, so you're probably wondering what's going in here. So what is this? Is a half a cup of red bell peppers and a half a cup of onions and a teaspoon, you can do a tablespoon, of red chili flakes. Just to bring it up a little spice, but if you like your baked beans spicier, add more to it. All right, you guys, so I let this saute. So the next thing we're gonna do is you wanna get that smoky flavor. So what you're gonna do is add in liquid smoke, you guys. That's gonna be the next ingredient. Now I have a special ingredient that I know you guys have not tried or have done. So make sure you stay tuned to the entire video, you guys, because I got one more ingredient that'll blow your mind. All right, so make sure your temperature is up on medium high. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the secret ingredient in just a second. All right, so let's add in the beans first before we add in that secret ingredient. Now I got 3 large cans. They're about 28 ounces. That's what this recipe consists of. If you're looking for, the ingredients, I have them in the description below. You know what I'm saying, on everything we're talking about. But just follow along, you guys. These are real simple. Like I said, recipe. Mind you, the beans are already seasoned well already. All we're doing is just elevating them to the next level. So that's all it is. So now, add in your last can, and then I'll be adding in the following ingredient next. Okay, so last but not least, I know y'all been teasing y'all about this secret ingredient, but add you some Moscato in there. So I can get a half a cup to a cup of Moscato, or a sweet wine or a Chardonnay. Mind you, you know what I'm saying, and mind you, you're not gonna be drunk, you're not gonna be drunk, but this is my secret ingredient. I know I'm spilling the beans, but I'm telling you, funny, play on words, spilling the beans, letting you know. But put a half a cup of a sweet wine in your beans. This is how you elevate any beans up to the next level. So we're gonna elevate these barbecue beans up in just a moment. I already put it in there, so I'm just letting you know. So I'll have all these description of everything in the description below. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna let it cook and it's gonna be done, you guys. All right, everything is done. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how to elevate a can of baked beans to the next level, you guys. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried any of this, or if there's any ways you do it. Now you can add a little bit more honey into it, it's up to you. You can add more barbecue sauce, but I wanted to make sure it's well balanced and stuff like that. So these beans are sweet. I just wanted to elevate it to the next level. You see the red bell peppers in there. So you see the coloring is in there. So, so it won't look like it's coming out the can, you guys. I mean, like it really doesn't matter. But I'm just saying, if you want to elevate a can of barbecue baked beans for your next group, family dinner, this is one way to do it. I'm your Chef KC. Thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to show you more of these wonderful, easy ways to elevate dishes, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hey, and a little bit of thing you can do is just thumbs it up. I really appreciate all the comments and love you guys been doing. Kudos to all my followers. And if you're new here and just came on in, you see more of these and more. See you later.